Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of hot tub covers and accessories. Whether you're looking to protect your investment or make your spa experience more convenient, we've got you covered. We've reviewed the top 5 best hot tub covers on the market to help you decide which one fits your needs and budget. As always, product links are in the description below, so let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Cover Lifter by Actray. This product is a game changer for anyone struggling to manage a heavy hot tub cover. Designed for single-person operation, the Actray Cover Lifter makes it effortless to lift, remove, and replace your hot tub cover. It's compatible with most spa sizes up to 96 inches wide, although it requires some clearance space behind and on the sides of your tub. The build quality is impressive, featuring a black powder-coated, rust-resistant finish and sturdy injection-molded brackets. It even includes a thoughtful 3-hook towel rack, so you can keep your towels within arm's reach. However, the setup process does require some assembly, and it's not suitable for round or irregularly shaped hot tubs. Performance-wise, this lifter makes using your spa much more convenient, but it's better suited for larger spas with ample space around them. If you're looking for convenience and durability, this product delivers, but keep in mind its limitations with certain hot tub shapes and the need for assembly. Pros include its sturdy design, added towel hooks, and ease of use, while cons are its incompatibility with round tubs and a potentially tricky installation process. Coming in at number 3 is the ULT Cover Waterproof 600D Polyester Hot Tub Cover. This sturdy, weatherproof cover is designed to fit hot tubs up to 85 inches by 85 inches. Made from heavy-duty 600D polyester canvas with a waterproof backing, it's built to withstand rain, snow, and even bird droppings, keeping your spa in pristine condition. The ULT cover also features air vents on both sides, which help with ventilation and prevent the cover from being blown away in high winds. Adjustable elastic cords make it easy to achieve a snug fit. However, it's important to note that this cover should be used in conjunction with an insulated hardcover, as it does not provide insulation on its own. Its solid brown design and durable build make it a stylish yet practical choice for outdoor use. This product offers great value for its price, especially for those looking for a reliable, heavy-duty cover. The pros include its tough materials, excellent weather resistance, and thoughtful design, while the cons are its reliance on an insulated hardcover and its relatively heavy weight. Our runner-up is the IBirdie Outdoor Waterproof Hot Tub Cover. At $39.19, this affordable option offers plenty of features to keep your spa protected. It's made from heavy-duty fabric with a waterproof coating and double-stitch seams for extra durability. Designed to fit hot tubs up to 85 inches by 85 inches, it's perfect for shielding your spa from rain, snow, and debris. What sets the IBirdie cover apart is its secure fit, with adjustable buckles and waterproof zippers ensuring it stays in place even during strong winds. The air vents on both sides reduce internal moisture and condensation, keeping your spa and hardcover dry. While it doesn't provide insulation, it's an excellent protective layer to extend the life of your spa. This cover is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who still want high-quality protection. Pros include its durable build, secure fit, and affordability, while the cons are its lack of insulation and slightly less premium feel compared to higher-end options. And finally, taking the top spot is the Enzeno Outdoor Spa Hot Tub Cover. At just $26.99, this budget-friendly option offers incredible value. Crafted from high-density 420D Oxford fabric with a silver nano UV coating, it's designed to withstand up to 15,000 PA of water pressure, making it highly resistant to rain and other harsh weather conditions. The upgraded second-generation stereo vents reduce internal condensation, keeping your spa's hardcover dry and extending its lifespan. The Enzeno cover also features adjustable strap buckles and a full-circle drawstring for a secure fit. While it doesn't provide insulation, it's an excellent choice for protecting your investment from the elements. Lightweight and easy to install, It's perfect for those seeking an affordable yet reliable option. The pros of this product include its unbeatable price, durable materials, and excellent weather resistance. The only con is its lack of insulation, but for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for maximum value, the Enzeno cover is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth review of the top 5 hot tub covers. If this video helped you find the right product, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more expert reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.